Hey everybody, it's Coach Trisha, and today we're going to talk about eggs. We're going to talk about eggs. We're going to talk about the egg white. We're going to talk about the egg yolk. We're going to give you the benefits of both, and then I am going to make you something absolutely delicious. Is this look good or what? So meet me on the other side. Coach Trisha again. Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope nobody tells my husband that I'm spending so much time here because he doesn't even think I know this room exists. But today I wanted to do another kitchen hack. Hi, Lisa. Because there are so many things about health and nutrition that I get excited about. I get excited about food. I like eating, and I hope that I can teach all of you guys how to really enjoy healthy eating because it can be fun. And so today what we're going to talk about are eggs. We're going to be talking about eggs, okay? And I know that all of you know about eggs. You probably have had eggs maybe even today. And eggs are a great nutritious food. They're a great nutritious food. And believe it or not, I know that you know when you open up an egg, there's two parts to the egg, okay? There's the yellow part. Hey, Cassie. There's the yellow part, and there's the clear part. There's the clear part. And both parts are nutritious. They both are nutritious. But here's something you may not know, because we always think of eggs as having a lot of protein. Well, most of the protein is actually in the egg white, okay? The egg white holds most of the protein. And the egg yolk, the yellow part, has most of the cholesterol and most of the calories. Interesting, right? But here's something else that we need to add to this whole story, and that is that the yolk also has other benefits, okay? The yolk has more vitamin A. In fact, it has all of the vitamin A. The yolk also has the vitamin B12. The yolk has the vitamin B2 and B5 and vitamin D, okay? So there are some vitamins in the yolk, the yellow part, that the white doesn't have, all right? So both sides have benefits. So here's what I like to do when I'm eating my eggs, because this is a great snack. It's a great snack. You see it on my snack list all the time. It is a great snack. So what I like to do is I like to combine the best of both worlds, okay? So for a snack, and I'm going to show you how I make this today. For a snack, I like taking the whole egg, okay, the white plus yolk, one whole egg, and two egg yolks, okay? One whole egg and two egg whites. And let me show you how to do this. So you guys, this is what I'm going to show you because you're going to love it, and it's something that you can even teach your children, because pretty soon I'm going to have an episode about how to get your kids eating healthy, thinking more about healthy food and stuff like that. You can even teach your children how to do this. Now, I know you can go to the store and just buy a carton of egg whites, right? But it's more expensive. What if I just taught you how to separate the egg white from the egg yolk? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let me adjust my camera so that you can see this, okay? I've got this all set up for you, and I've already done a practice one just to make sure that I still remember how to do this, okay? So in this bowl, this is our blue bowl. I am going to crack a whole egg. Magnificent, I did it, okay? Can you guys still hear me? Thumbs up if you can still hear me. I had a little interruption here. Thumbs up if you can still hear me. I'm going to keep talking. Okay, so. Here's the, hi Rhonda. Rhonda, can you hear me? sometimes my sound goes out. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. What you're gonna do is, hi Trisha, you're gonna get a water bottle, empty water bottle. Okay, see this is empty, there's nothing in it. And check this out. So you're gonna squeeze the water bottle, put it right on top of the egg yolk, and release it. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Is that the coolest thing? And then you're just gonna plop it over here in the other side, all right? And so look, I have absolutely separated that whole entire egg. There's no yellow left at all. It's so much fun, you almost wanna do it again. Should we? Well, I don't wanna waste eggs because I'm not gonna eat. Well, you know what? I am gonna do this again because I wanna make sure you guys all see it. And then my husband and I are just gonna have this for dinner. Okay, so you're just gonna crack an egg, put it into the blue bowl, like that. Put it over here, take your empty water bottle, squeeze it, release it on top of the yolk. Don't you think your kids would love this? Your kids would absolutely love this, and then just plop it over there like that. All right, so here's what I am going to, the emojis aren't working. It's been weird. I'm telling you, there's been some weird stuff going on. All right, so what am I gonna do with this? So here are my egg whites, okay? Now we're going to add a whole egg, okay? So a whole egg, because here's the thing. It's a mental thing. A lot of times people, they look at the egg whites and it just doesn't feel like an egg. They have to have it be yellow. Okay, so we're gonna put a whole egg in there just so we can have it be yellow. And just gonna like stir it up like this. And it'll be yellow when I make it. Okay, it'll look like a real egg. What am I gonna add to this? What I'm gonna add to this is, you can see it over here. Remember yesterday we talked about jicama? We're gonna add jicama and we're gonna add peppers. And I'm going to I just already added a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and that's what I'm gonna cook it in. Okay, so let me talk to you about the nutritional content. Hello, everybody. Some of you have emojis, because I have seen some thumbs up. All right, was that cool? Give me some hearts if you thought that was cool. Give me some hearts. Cool, right? So let me give you the nutritional content of this. The nutritional content of this. For just the egg whites, 2 egg whites and 1 egg, right? Only 103 calories, all right? And 14 grams of protein. But let me break it down for you, okay? Because the whole egg has 6 grams of protein. The egg whites have 4. So they have most of the protein. 60% of the protein comes from the egg whites, okay? Now let's break down the calories, all right? In one egg, there is 71 calories, but in the egg white, there's only 16 calories, okay? So it's a big difference. It's a big difference. The egg yolk has most of the calories and cholesterol. The egg white has most of the protein, and it hardly has any calories at all. Now let's look at this whole dish. So if I put it together with all this good stuff, right? Look at that. We can put that together with the jicama. If we put it in with our olive oil, the first thing that we cook is the jicama, then we add the peppers, and then we add the eggs, okay, in olive oil. So let's do it before the olive oil. Before the olive oil, that whole dish is 135 calories. 135 calories, you guys. 16 grams of protein, because the jicama and the peppers have some protein too. And it has 3 grams of fiber. 3 grams of fiber. That's awesome, right? So a total of 135 calories. Now, remember the other day we were talking about good fat, okay? Olive oil is good fat. You listen to this. This is good fat. We're only adding a tablespoon, okay? We're only adding a tablespoon. It's good fat. Your body needs it. Just a tablespoon. Guess how many calories? For the olive oil, okay, remember everything else, the eggs and the peppers and everything like that, 135 calories. Once we add the olive oil, it's 120 calories. Okay, so don't freak out. Don't freak out, because we're still well in the range of a good snack. Okay, 120 plus 135, that's what, 250 calories, something like that. Still well in the range of good snacks, good calories, good fiber, good protein, and everything else. But I just want to call your attention to the fact that because fat, remember, is very dense in calories. There's 9 calories per gram of fat. That's why it adds the calories. But olive oil is good fat. I don't want you to avoid it. I definitely want to make sure that you have good fat in your nutrition plan. So let's review. We learned how to separate our egg whites from the egg in a really cool way that your kids might like. We also learned that the egg is good, right? All right, unless you're allergic to it. Some people are, but most people are not. Eggs are good. The egg yolk has most of the calories and most of the cholesterol. The egg white has most of the protein, okay? But we also, little caveat, the egg yolk also has some of your B vitamins that the egg white doesn't have. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm having fun doing my little kitchen hacks. And I will make this all up for you, and I'll post a picture and show you what it ended up looking like. All right, everybody, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey there, thanks for listening. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe below. I know it's tough to figure out the right nutrition plan and exercise routine that works for you. I don't see that many coaches teaching about sensible nutrition. After years of being on yo-yo diets myself, I got sick of gaining and losing the same pounds. Most coaches have been recycling the same new, revolutionary diet to people for decades. It's time to make sense out of nonsense, and that's been my mission for the last 17 years. So whatever you want to lose, weight, inches, or just that sad feeling you have right now, go over to www.letsgetfitandsassy.com and join the next free 5-day Lose It Challenge. You're going to learn how hundreds of people have joined our movement and are now getting in the best shape of their life for the rest of their life. And we're going to have fun. Once again, that's www.letsgetfitandsassy.com. I'm Coach Trisha. Let's do this.